Hello friends. Now today we are going to explain the variation of specific conductance and equivalent conductance with respect to concentration. Friends, we know that the conductance is depends on number of ions. If number of ions is more, then conductance is also more. Similarly, specific conductance it depends on the conductance, that is number of ion per unit volume of the solution. The number of ion per unit volume of the solution is more, then specific conductance is more. Hence, if concentration increases, the number of ions per unit volume of the solution is also increases, and hence the specific conductance also increases. That is mean specific conductance increases with respect to concentration but decreases with respect to volume. Friends, consider strong electrolyte. Strong electrolyte is completely dissociated. Therefore, number of ions increases with concentration proportionally. Hence, specific conductance also increases proportionally. But in case of strong weak electrolyte, it is partially dissociated. Hence, number of ions do not increases more appreciably with concentration. Hence, in case of weak electrolyte, the specific conductance do not increase with concentration markedly, means increases marginally. Specific conductance increases with concentration, that is marginally. Now, focus on equivalent conductance. We know that equivalent conductance means the conductance of the 1 gram equivalent of electrolyte dissolved in the 1 liter of the solution. Therefore, formula for equivalent conductance equal to specific conductance into volume. But specific conductance is inversely proportional to volume. Therefore, it depends on the specific conductance and volume. Friends, if volume is increases, then there is a chance of equivalent conductance also increases, but specific conductance is decreases. If specific conductance is increases, then equivalent conductance is also increases. But which factor are more preferred, either specific conductance or volume? Because specific conductance and volume are inversely proportional to each other. Therefore, if concentration decreases means volume increases, means more dilution, then specific conductance decreases, but 1 upon C increases, and decrease in specific conductance is more compensated by increase in the 1 upon C, that is a volume value. Therefore, volume is the main factor for variation of the equivalent conductance as compared to specific conductance, because volume is increases more amount as compared to decrease in the specific conductance. Hence, the equivalent conductance is increases with respect to volume, but equivalent conductance is decreases with respect to concentration. In case of strong electrolyte, the equivalent conductance does not increases appreciably with dilution, but in case of weak electrolyte, the equivalent conductance increases more appreciably with dilution, because at very concentration equivalent conductance is low, therefore it easily increases from lower value to higher value. This is a graph, the plot of the equivalent conductance with concentration. For strong electrolyte, the equivalent conductance is decreases with concentration in small amount, gives linearity. For weak electrolyte, the equivalent conductance is suddenly decreases with increase in the concentration. Thank you so much and take care.